Hello. Today is June 5, 2009. We're having our site visit here in Southwestern University, ABA. Our room number is 218 and I'm seat number 7, but sad to say, as we have arrived here, the seats are not yet numbered, and we are currently in room 216. This is the room of Miss Diana Frances Ardiente. Here she is.
Pangalan Frances Diana.
Sorry. Frances Diana Ardiente. Here she is.
Hi.
Then, here's our comrades. There's Laika Gonzaga. But she's assigned in UC Maine. Which room are you?
521.
521, 5th floor. High school department?
Butchanoy. College.
Okay. Then we go next here to Miss Jobel Hontilia. Hello, man. What can you say to the viewers out there? Come on, man. Don't be such a fuss. Sige na. Jobel, where were you assigned? UC Maine?
Sukulo ka na assign. Di hanggang siya Bisayaan.
Aasa ka na assign dahil autistic. Grabe pag. And this is Maria Cela Atilio, my roommate here in room 218. Dili, i-tour ta mo. Muna siya ang room sa 216. Then, going outside, this is the grounds outside ABA building. This is so great, so big. The last time that I came here, this is just a big, huge field with nothing but grass and trees. As in, that was, I don't know, 9 years before, 9 years ago or something. Oh, I passed my door. This is our classroom, just like room 216. Sorry. Going out now. There's a cottage out there in the front lawn. Here's the flyers, flappers. What's the purpose of this? Flaps or something. Oh, sorry. I'm not oriented with buildings, you know. There's the ceiling and everything. There's the floor. And we're all walking down the aisle, going home. Hi. We are all going out. Muli na may town. Muli na may manaming site visit. More siya feeling.